Let's take a look at this Pure Electric, Pure Advance Flex Electric folding scooter. Now I love that it has these foot pads either side the chassis, as it means that you'll be standing in a forward-facing position as you go, making it both safer and easier to drive. It also has Pure Control steering system for a smooth ride without you experiencing any jitters. It just returns the handlebars to the center once you've finished turning, helping you to always stay in control. And it has a compact design which lets you fully fold it, so storing it or packing it in the car for your holiday will never be an issue. It has a 500-watt motor giving you plenty of power, as well as responsive acceleration with a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. You have 3 power modes too to choose from depending on how you want to ride. These include pedestrian, normal and high. You also get just under 25 miles of riding in a single charge, and it can be fully charged in just under 6 hours. Perfect for an overnight charging session. You also get these pulsing front and rear indicators to help you let everybody around you know where you're going.